Hello students, I hope you can recall where we are. Okay, we are in the fifth unit lesson, The Chair, which was written by Ki Ram. Ki Ram means Ki Raja Narayanan, right? And that in the last class what we have seen, I hope you can remember. Okay, what we have seen. Okay, in this story, there is a family. That family doesn't have a chair, so it is a big problem for them because if the guest visit to their house, they don't have a chair to make them sit. So after getting a trouble, that whole family means that father, mother, their auntie and brother, sister, their brother Bedanna, and mamanar is their maternal uncle. So everybody decided to make a chair. Okay, and after so many discussions, in which wood they have to make a chair. Okay, and which wood is preferable, everything they discussed, and at last they decided to make a chair. Okay, and what happened after that, they made two chairs. Okay, one for mamanar and one for them, right? So far we have seen in the last class, and in today's class we are going to see after the arrival of the chair what happened in their house. Okay, that's what we are going to see in this class. So before going to the class, you just have a glance on last class, then only you can understand, right? Okay, I'll read line by line. Okay, after the arrival of the chair, one by one we took turns to sit on the chair. Okay, so after the arrival of the chair, it is very new to them. So one by one, one by one means all the members of the family, they are sitting on the chair. ஒவ்வொருத்தரா அப்படியே உட்காந்து எந்திரிக்கிறான். Never felt like getting up from it. So when each and everybody is sitting in the chair, they don't want to get out of the chair, but had to, because others too had to be given a chance, but no other go. We have to give chance to the other members of the family, so we have to get out of it. So Bedana is their brother, sat and exclaimed appreciatively, aha. He ran his hands over the arms of the chair. He sat very comfortably. He ran his hands over the arms, you know very well, the chair's arms. He just put his hands on the arms of the chair, and he is relaxing and sitting in the chair. He sat cross-legged on it. So who sitting in cross-legged? Their brother Bedanna. So Attai said, we have to stitch a cover for it. So Attai, their auntie, is telling that so we have to stitch a cover for it, otherwise it will get soiled. So otherwise if you won't put cover, the chair it will become dirty. This is a suggestion of whom? This is a suggestion of their auntie. Okay, in the next, my little sister and brother fought over it frequently. So that narrator's little sister and brother, they are just always fighting that who has to sit on the chair first. This shows they are fond on chair. Okay, she would shout at him, you have been sitting on it for so long, get up, I want to sit now. So at home you are fighting with your sister and brother, no, for TV or the remote control, for a chair. I hope in all the homes it is happening daily. So like that, here that sister and brother are fighting. So get up, I want to sit. You are sitting for a long time, so get up, I want to sit. Like that, their sister and brother both are fighting. Okay, I have just sat down. What we have to tell, இப்போ தான் உட்காந்தேன் அதுக்குள்ளே நீ எழுப்புற அப்படின்னு சொல்லணும்ல, அதே மாதிரி they are fighting. That normal argument is going on. Look at her amma. Immediately she is complaining to her mother. He would say, his face puckering as if about to cry. So he is going to cry because her sister is making him to get out of the chair. So he doesn't want to get up from the chair, so he is just complaining to his mother and he is going to cry. Okay, and the news of the arrival. See, this is very very important. The news of the arrival of our chair spread like fire around the village, and we know very well that whole village it doesn't have a knowledge on chair. Okay, so here this is the first family who made a chair, right? And okay, and so the whole village this news was spread over the whole village. That whole village people, they want to see the chair how it is. Okay, and people, children and adults arrived in hordes to see the chair. So the people, children, adults, on all age of people in the village, they just arrived to Bethana's house. Hordes means what? That see, hordes means crowd. Okay, hard means the crowd or masses. Okay, அப்படியே கூட்டம் கூட்டமாக வந்து they are just have a glance on the chair. Okay, see the chair. A few even stroked it. A few even that they are just stroked it and they just want to sit on the chair. An old man lifted the chair, and among that people an old man lifted the chair quite heavy. He's made it steady, he commented the carpenter. So that old man in that group, the old man is telling that quite heavy, the chair is a very strong, a good carpenter. Okay, he's just praising the carpenter. A few days passed by. So like this, daily some people are coming to their house and they are this pricing the chair of their family. A few days, okay, after a few days, what had happened? One night someone knocked on the door. So one night someone knocked on the door. Bethana, who was sleeping in the inner pearl, inner pearl na அந்த வீட்டு தின்னன்னு சொல்லுவோம்ல, that part, there who is sleeping, Bethana is sleeping, opened the door. They said that an important man had just died in the village and that they needed the chair. So this is very very important. Here only we have a turning point in this story, and I hope you know very well, in olden days, if people died, how they will arrange. Okay, they will just make the corpse to அப்படியே ஒரு ஃப்ளோரில் அப்படியே போட்டு வச்சுருவாங்க காப்ஸ் டெட் பாடி, யூ நோ வெரி வெல். ஓகே, இன் ஓல்டன் டேஸ் இந்த மாதிரி நம்ம ஏசி பாக்ஸ் நத்திங் we didn't have in olden days. So simply they just put the corpse on the floor. Okay, அந்த மாதிரி போட்டு வச்சுருவாங்க. So like that only it's going on. So after the chair's arrival, that people mind it has changed, and they thought that, they decided that why don't we make a corpse to put on the chair. Okay, after that பார்த்தீங்கன்னா when my own grandfather died, we did like this only. ஓகே, அதுக்கப்புறம் கொஞ்ச நாள் கழிச்சு என்னாச்சு, தட் காப்ஸை சேரில் உட்கார வச்சுருவாங்க. பார்த்துருக்கியா? இன் மூவிஸ் அண்ட் ஆல் யூ மைட் ஹவ் சீன். Okay, in movies and all you might have seen that corpse they used to keep in the chair, அப்படியே உட்கார வச்சுருவாங்க. Okay, and now only that recently only we got AC box, right? So for that purpose only, that village people, that an important man died in the village, so to keep him on the chair, we need a chair அப்படின்னு that village people are asking. Okay, since the deceased was also known to us, the deceased means a dead person, so dead person is also known to Bethana's family, so they can't என்ன சொல்கிறது, they have to agree, they have to give the chair, otherwise they can't manage them. Okay, they have to get a bad impression from the village people, so no other go, they just accepted and they gave the chair to them. Okay, we too attended the funeral, so that Bethana's families also have to attend the funeral, so they have to give the chair. It was an arch chair that they had propped up the eminent person, so they are going to keep that eminent person in arch chair. Okay, next, so till now in our village they always seated the corpse only on the floor. So before the arrival of the chair, what they did, okay, with the corpse, so before the arrival of the chair, how they arranged the corpse only on the floor. A grinding stone was laid on the floor and propped up to keep a corpse from rolling away, so the corpse should not move from its place, no. So for that, ரெண்டு பக்கமும் ஒரு அணை கொடுக்குற மாதிரி, that grinding stone that they used to keep up. Okay, a gunny sack stuffed with a millet straw would be rested against it. Millet straw na, you know very well, the வைக்கோல் அதெல்லாம் சொல்லுவோம்ல, அதை ஒரு மூட்டையில் போட்டு கட்டி just like a pillow. Okay, like a pillow, they just ஒரு முட்டு கொடுக்குற மாதிரி they used to keep. Okay, and against so against this bolster na to support somebody எது support பண்ணுது, that millet straw. Okay, the corpse would be placed as if reclining on it. So they have to do all these things. In the olden days, before the arrival of the chair, they used to keep the corpse on the floor. The corpse should not move. No, for that they did some arrangements. Okay, and from where our town people picked up this new fad of propping up a corpse on a chair. So actually they don't want to give their chair to keep the dead body on their lovable chair. Okay, just they are blaming the village people. எங்க தான் இந்த village peopleக்கு dead body that corpse chair உட்கார வைக்கணுங்கிற ஐடியா எப்படி இவங்களுக்கு வந்துச்சு? And we had no clue, but from that day troubles began for our chair. So we don't know, but from that day onwards, what happened? The trouble came to our chair. They had moved from floor tickets to chair tickets. I hope you can understand. They had moved from floor tickets. Corpse floor la போறத மாத்தி the chair tickets came. Okay, when the occasion in that household was over, occasion means that funeral ceremony, they left the chair in our front yard. So they gave the chair to Bethana, and the children of the house were scared even to look at the chair. So after dead body உட்காந்துட்டு வந்தது பார்த்தா it is usually இது வந்து ஒரு natural. Okay, they will get scared. The children in the family, they are getting scared and even to look at the chair. We had the servant to take it to the well and give it a good hard scrub with hay. So the servant took the chair and he gave he washed very well. Okay, and with 15 buckets of water, he washed the chair. Even after several days, no one had the guts to sit on it. So after several days ஆன பிறகு கூட they don't have guts to sit on it. Still they have one fear. We did not know how to bring it back into use. So actually we don't know how to bring back. Okay, இந்த பயமும் இல்லாமல் எப்படி நான் என் பிள்ளைங்களை உட்கார வைக்கிறது? So they are getting a fear. And next, that fortuitously a guest visited our house. So by chance, a guest visited our house one day, and we had the chair brought for him. So உடனே chair வந்து போடுறாங்க. And don't bother, I'll sit here, he said, and went towards the cloth mat. He were afraid that he would sit on the floor. So no need. அவர் என்ன the guest is telling that chair, no need, I'll sit on. Actually he doesn't know about that corpse, everything. Okay, no problem, I'll sit on the cloth mat. Chair I don't want அப்படினு சொல்றேன்னா everybody gets shocked. Okay, we were afraid that we would sit on the floor. ஐயோ கீழ உட்கார்ந்துருவாரோ அப்படினு பயப்படுறாங்க. Because they just want to somebody sit on the chair first. Okay, for that they are taking this guest. So the whole family persuaded him to sit on the chair. So the whole family that induced him, compelled him to sit on the chair. As soon as he sat down, okay, at last he sat in the chair, and my little brother and sister fell to the garden in the backyard. So as soon as he sits in the chair, that their sister and brother, they ran to the garden, because they thought that something is going to happen to the guest, that a ghost is going to come. Like that they are thinking. And now and then they peep to see what happened to the man on the chair. So now and then அப்பப்போ வந்து எட்டி பார்க்குறாங்க, is anything happened to the guest. Okay, because he is sitting on the chair. Okay, next, the next day The next day a local elder dropped by and chose to sit on the chair on his own. So next day an elderman, an old man is came to their house and he himself willingly want to sit on the chair. Okay, and bringing us even more relief. So அவர் உட்காந்துட்டு போனோன்னே again they got a relief, and he is rehearsing on the chair now itself, whispered Bethana in my ear. So Bethana he is doing rehearsal. So after that we can sit in the chair. And okay, this is how we seasoned the chair. So like this, அப்படியே அவங்க வீட்டில் இருக்கிறவங்க யாருமே they are not sitting in the chair, they just making the others sitting on the chair. And first the elders in the family sat on it. So after that elders of the family sat on it. The children were still afraid. My little sister would beg my little brother, why don't you sit on it first? So at first they fought with the chair, who has to sit at first. Now they don't want to sit in the chair. Okay, he would retort instantly, why don't you sit and see? Okay, that brother is reply quickly, why don't you sit and see? So now they don't want to sit on the chair.